So it's exactly 150 days after we closed on our house. Now, we listed yesterday in the morning after midnight, and we got, I believe, a couple of showings, and we already got an offer yesterday for the full asking price, $239. So we are accepting that offer. Hopefully we can close on it very soon. It usually takes about 30 days to 45 days. So we're gonna see like what the timing is on it on this one. I believe it's 45, but if it's like 30 days, that's even better for us. And I'm back in Home Depot, just returning some stuff. Got store credit and then refund on my credit card. Now what I'm gonna be doing over here, working on the next project on Graham Boulevard and Graham House. So I'm checking out the kitchen cabinets. We got a design layout, everything worked out, and just gotta talk to the designer now here, Home Depot. All right, this is the final look of the house. The driveway looks great. Fascia and soffit, everything looks great. Remove all the garbages and woods. So the landscaping is done. Everything is done here. Looks great. Alright, so this is how it looks like during the day. All brand new appliances. Everything is new in the kitchen, cabinets, crown molding, lights, windows, floors, countertop, backsplash. Alright, so this is the bathroom.